Sometimes Makumalo, she is too forward. She have to know her position, that she is blaming Macele to invite people on her home. Macele, she is the first wife of Musamseleku. She can do whatever they want. Macele and Mtombeni, they can do whatever they want. Either they like it or not. Makumalo and Mangwabe and Mayeni, you understand it? Just because Macele and Musamseleku are those people, they are leaders, you understand. Makumalo, she have to know her position. She have to respect Macele, and Macele, she is an elder person to Makumalo. Makumalo, she is very young, guys. She is very young and she have to respect Macele. They are blaming Macele just because Macele, she welcomed Samke, and Macele, she invites people at the ceremony. You understand it? That they are blind with it with Macele, that Samke, she will come at Musumbe. You understand it? Samke, she will come at the Mseleku's home. Guys, whether they like it or not, especially Makumalo and Mangwabe, they are not the first wife of Musamseleku. Macele, she welcomed him Samke as the same as she welcomed them, Mangwabe and Makumalo. You understand? Mangwabe, when she come, Mayeni, she doesn't want Mangwabe. But Macele welcomed Mangwabe. You understand? Like Mangwabe is better because Mangwabe, she is not talkative too much. She is not that person who can talk. But Makumalo, she can't keep quiet sometimes. She have to keep quiet because she is not the first wife of Musamseleku. You understand? The person who can say I don't want your wife, your 50 wife is Macele. She have got right because she is the first wife. But Macele, when she welcomed Samke, it means she welcomed at the Museleku's home. Whether they like it or not, Makumalo, they like it, and Mangobe or not, it doesn't matter. Musamseleku respects those wives. When he wants, you will say Samke, she will come at home. You understand him? But he respects them. He respects them, and then they blame. I hate that they blame Macele for all those things. Macele, she is not that. She is not a person who can say Musamseleku, he is going to marry the 50th wife. Musamseleku made his decision and introduced Samke to Macele. You understand it? They want to blame Macele. They have to blame their husband. And there is no need to talk like Makumalo and Mangwawe, guys. Makumalo, when she dating Musamseleku, he knows, guys. Makumalo dating Musamseleku when Masaule, she was alive. And Makumalo, she knows that Musamseleku have got Macele and Masaule. Mayeni comes after Makumalo, you understand? But Makumalo knows that Musamseleku is the person of the polygamy. There is no need to complain